on that bitch.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button towards your right so you can get updates on my videos. So today I'll be showing you how I got this red color using bundles that I got from Hairsofab about like 2 years ago. I started off by first splitting the hair into different sections, which made it so much easier for me to bleach. Then I started from the bottom and I worked from sections to sections and I worked my way up. So for the bleach, I used the Clairol Professional BW2 and the powder lightener, and I used the Clairol Professional cream developer in pure white. And I know some people are thinking right now, why is she using a plastic bag? Well, I couldn't find my shower cap, so I had to improvise. So I was like, plastic bag. I know you guys are probably thinking right now, like, why the hell is she using a plastic bag? Well, I had to improvise because I couldn't find my shower cap, so do what you gotta do. So after you finish bleaching it, you will leave your hair on for 30+ minutes. I only say this because depending on your hair type, sometimes it takes longer to dry, sometimes it doesn't. So after I finished bleaching it, I really didn't like how it came out. Like the color wasn't light enough for me. So I went over it again and I bleached it even more. You can already see the color is already coming out lighter, and I'm liking how this color is coming out so far. After leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes, this is how it came out. So this is the watercolor process. For this part, we're going to boil hot water on the stove. Just be careful because obviously you don't want hot water spilling on you. Then we're going to take our Adore 68, which is crimson, and our Adore 69, which is wild cherry, and we're going to mix it together, stir it, and we're going to then slowly dip the hair into the water. I am going to leave it in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how bright the color comes or how nice the color comes for me. So after 10 minutes, I will take it out, and I'm liking the color. I'm loving the color. This actually came out better than what I expected for it to come. So I'm liking it so far. Then we're going to take it over to our sink, and we're going to wash it with some shampoo and conditioner. Moving on, we're going to separate our hair into different sections, and we're going to dry it. We're first going to start with our frontal. We're going to start by pressing it down. We're going to part it into different sections, then use our hot comb to go over it. And we're just working on the frontal right now. After working on the frontal, we're going to move on and flat iron the hair. Again, we're going to use the same process. We're going to split the hair into different sections, and we're going to work through it. I didn't want to add a lot of heat to the hair since I already bleached it, so I was running through it like once or twice for each section. And I was running through it very lightly. This hair still got shine, it still has color. and I'm loving it. We're going to add some mousse to the front to help lay the frontal down. For this next section, I'm going to braid my hair in cornrow pieces. This section took a while to do, so I did not record. Here's a video of how it looked like. And then we're going to spray the cornrow with some water. We're going to leave it overnight. Then the next day we're going to take it out, and this is how it came out. I love the little curly crimped look going on. This is one of my favorite go-to looks. I love this look. It just takes a while to braid the hair, but you know, once the finished outcome is here, I love this look. This is one of my favorites. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button so you can get all the videos that I post up. Look towards your left, you will see suggestions of my other videos that you can click to watch. See you on my next video.